Okay, now you're going to practice writing the sounds you hear when I show you a picture. This is a sun. S, n. Sound it out. Write the sounds you hear in s, n. Great. If you need to pause for more time, go ahead. This is a pan. Let's sound it out. P, an, n. What sounds do you hear in p, an, n? Go ahead and write the sounds you hear. All right, this is a pig. What sounds do you hear in p, I, g? Go ahead and write the sounds you hear in pig. P, I, g. All right, this is a mop. M, a, p. Sound it out. M, a, p. Write the sounds you hear in mop. All right, this is a bed. B, e, d. Bed. Sound it out. B, e, d. What sounds do you hear in the word bed? Write it down. Jam. J, am. Jam. What sounds do you hear in the word jam? Write it down. J, am. All right, log. Let's sound it out. L, a, g. Write the words you write the sound you hear in the word log. L, a, g, log. Go ahead and write it down. Ooh, this is the number 10. What do you hear in the word 10? What sounds do you hear? Let's sound it out. T, e, n. Good. Again, t, e, n. Write the sound you hear in the word 10. And lip. L, I, p. Write the sound you hear in the word lip. L, I, p. Lip. Great job sounding out words.